Getting a perfect shave is only half the battle. Knowing the right aftercare steps is essential for smooth, irritation-free skin. Today, we'll cover key mistakes to avoid during and after shaving. Let's start with common mistakes made while shaving itself. Avoiding these errors is crucial to prevent irritation and razor burn. First, don't press too hard or shave too quickly. Excessive pressure can lead to nicks and irritation, and rushing increases your chances of making mistakes. Next, avoid going over the same area repeatedly. Each pass removes a layer of protection, causing unnecessary friction and potential redness. And most importantly, never use a dull blade. Dull blades drag and pull, which is the primary cause of ingrown hairs and discomfort. Replace your razor regularly. Now, let's talk about immediate after-shaving care. These steps will help soothe your skin right after the hair removal is complete. Once you're done shaving, rinse the area with cool water. This calms the skin and helps to close your pores. Then, gently pat the area dry. Do not rub. Rubbing can cause irritation on freshly shaved skin. The next vital step is soothing your skin. Proper moisturizing is key to reducing redness and keeping the area hydrated. Apply aloe vera gel or a calming, fragrance-free moisturizer. This provides essential hydration and helps reduce any post-shave redness. Crucially, avoid products with alcohol or strong fragrance right after shaving, as they can severely irritate freshly shaved skin. Your skin needs time to recover. Here are the aftercare mistakes you should avoid for the next 24 hours to ensure the best results. For 24 hours after shaving, avoid tight clothing that causes friction and heavy workouts with excessive sweating, as both can lead to irritation. Also, steer clear of harsh skincare products. Your skin is sensitive, so stick to gentle, soothing formulas. And finally, avoid scratching or touching the area too much. Minimize contact to let your skin heal properly. Following these steps ensures your skin has the time it needs to recover, leading to a consistently smooth and comfortable shaving experience.